It's a new year, and for you, I have a tremendous opportunity. On Monday at 8 a.m. Central Time, I am opening enrollment to the Shepherdess Digital Masterclass. This is 9 classes that will take you from absolute beginner to efficiency in sheep farming. The Shepherdess Masterclass curriculum is made up of 9 different classrooms teaching 9 distinct subjects surrounding animal husbandry, sheep care, grazing, and how to market sheep and more off of your farm. This is ideal for beginners, either young or old. While this curriculum is geared towards operations of 50 acres or less, the principles are easily scalable, allowing you to take what you learn here and move on to management of any sheep operation regardless of the size. Each classroom is video-led with primary educational videos and complementary ebooks. I walk through simple things like handling your animals and move up to the complex things like building a website to sell those animals off farm for the premium you need to be a farmer for profit. Many of you still have full-time jobs that you enjoy and have no intention of quitting, but would like to start a flock on the side. And these classes are geared towards maximizing efficiency on pasture so that you can effectively balance both. This is a concentration of information that you cannot afford to miss. In fact, should we, as beginner sheep farmers, have known everything I'm getting ready to teach you, we would have saved the equivalent of $8,000 or $12,000 in livestock losses, loss of time, and wasted money on supplies that didn't work. And if that wasn't enough, the first 20 students to enroll will receive 2 of my favorite books on animal husbandry as a means of continuing education. Whether you are a homesteader who wants to just avoid the severe losses that can come with that steep learning curve, or if you're a young person looking into ranching and agriculture as a potential occupation, the Shepherdess Masterclass curriculum is for you, and I hope to see you on Monday.